Good evening, dear students. In today's class, let us learn how to draw the cumulative frequency curve or ogive. There are two types of ogive. One is less than type ogive and one is more than type ogive. If the data they are already converted into less than type distribution or more than type distribution, then you can draw directly cumulative frequency curve or ogive for the given data. To draw the ogive, in the x-axis you are using, in case of less than type distribution, you are using upper limit values and cumulative frequency, that is in y-axis. To draw the more than type ogive, you have to use in the x-axis, we are taking more than type distribution, that is lower limit in x-axis, and in y-axis cumulative frequency. If they are not converted directly, if they are given in terms of class interval and frequency, so you have to convert the given data into less than type distribution or more than type distribution. Then you have to find the cumulative frequency by using given frequency values. Then you can draw the ogive. So let us learn how to draw the ogive by taking some example problems. So first one, draw a less than type ogive by converting the given data into less than type distribution. So class interval they are given. Frequency is 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. Here first class interval we are taking as it is given in the question. To convert the less than type distribution, we have to write less than the upper limit, because here 100 to 120, 120 to 140. So the class interval given. So here 120 is maximum. The remaining value 100 to 119. So these values are less than 120. Here starting from 120 till 139, that value is less than 140. So similarly here less than 160, less than 180, less than 200. So while we are writing the less than type distribution, we are using the upper limit value of the given class interval. Okay. Now, so I will write less than 120, less than 140, less than 160, less than 180, less than 200. Frequencies as it is given in the question: 12, 14, 8, 6 and 10. To find the cumulative frequency, already you all learned how to find the cumulative frequency in the median concept, isn't it? So first frequency we are writing as it is 12. Next, for the first frequency we are adding second frequency. So here 12 plus 14, 26. For this 26, we are adding 8, 34, 34 plus 6, 40, 40 plus 10, 50. Total number of frequency is 50. first frequency same, then we are adding the next frequency, that is in Z shape. Now to mark the points in a graph, so we are drawing the ogive in a graph sheet. To draw, first in the x-axis you have to take less than type distribution values, that is upper limit values, y-axis cumulative frequency values. So for the first point, x-axis value is 120, y-axis value is 12. Second one 140, 26. Third one 160, 34. 180, 40. 200, 50. Okay students, now these points we are plotting in the graph and then we are drawing a smooth curve by using pencil. Okay. Now in a graph sheet, this is a x-axis and this is a y-axis. So along x-axis we are taking upper limit values for, because this is a less than type frequency curve or less than type ogive. And in the y-axis we are always taking cumulative frequency. Now I'll start from 0 to mark and use like this, because I'll start from the point 100. From the point 100 I'll start. First each 1 centimeter I'll take 10 difference. 100, 110, 120, 130, 140, 150, 160, 170, 180, 190, 200. And in the y-axis, here till last point is 50. So I'll take here 5, 10, 15 like that. Each 1 centimeter 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. Okay students. Now the first point 120 and 12 in the x-axis 120 and y-axis 12. See, in 120 till here 10 and each 1 centimeter measures 0.5. So 10, 1, 2, 3, 4. This gives 12, value 12, 120, 12. Next point 140, 26. 140, 25 here, 2 lines above 25. 140, 26. Next 140 and 34. 160 and 34. 160 here 30. This is a 35. 2 lines below 35. 160, 34. Next 180, 40. 180, 40. And last one 250. 200, 50. Afterwards, we are joining these points. Don't use scale. We have to join all these points by using pencil. So this is a less than type ogive. So less than type ogive, the value graph starts from the lesser value and it reaches to the higher value, maximum value. So less, so starts from least value. Okay students? And one more thing, you have to write the scale in the graph sheet. So how much you are taking in the x-axis and y-axis. So scale x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to, I am taking here 10 difference. So 10 units. And y-axis 1 centimeter I have taken 5 differences. So 5 units. So while drawing the ogive, you can take your own scale. So x-axis and y-axis scale need not be same. You can take any scale that is comfortable for you. Okay students?